This next application I'll solve in two different ways. First, I'll solve using a percent equation, kind of like a direct translation. The second method, I'll use proportions. So if you learned solving by proportions, fast forward to where I solved this the second time. Make sure you read and reread this problem, and it comes down to the fact that 20% of the potential crop is $11,350. Let's translate this to a percent equation. So that would be 20% of means times, we'll let X be the potential crop because that's what we're looking for, is $11,350. I'll write down $11,350. Let's go ahead and write this as an equivalent decimal. That's 20 hundredths or 2/10. X is equal to 11,350. How do we solve this equation for X? We'll divide the left side by the coefficient of X, and the coefficient of X is 20 hundredths or 2/10, whatever you wrote down, and divide the right side by the same exact number. Notice the left side simplifies to X, and the right side, if you divide, you'll have 56,750. And what does that mean? So once again, we'll have 56,750. That means that 20% of this potential crop value is 11,350. Let's solve this problem, this time using a proportion. Notice I've set up the proportion already. Amount is to base as percent is to 100. So let's fill in the values that we have. We certainly have the percent, it's 20 over 100. Amount and base of the crop or the potential crop value, that would be the base. So I'm looking for the base B, and we're given this amount, 11,350. Normally, remember, base appears after the word of, and so now I have my proportion. To solve, let's cross multiply, and I have 20 times B, or 20B, is equal to this product. Let me write this number down, 11350, and multiplying by 100, I'll simply insert two more zeros, and now I can put in my commas. That's 1,135,000. To solve for B, I'll divide both sides by the coefficient of B, which is 20, and then B will be, now you need to go off to the side and divide, and if you do so, you'll have 56,750. What does that stand for? That is a dollar amount, and it does stand for the potential crop value. How can you check? Find 20% of this amount. It should be the 11,350.